Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case in regard to the miscellaneous applications filed by the assessee or by the revenue or the suo motu rectification by the tribunal of its order passed. The issue before the Honorable Bombay High Court in the present case was that if the assessee contends that the assessee has submitted some paper book during the proceedings before the Honorable Tribunal, but the order is passed without considering that paper book, so whether in that case, if the assessee proves that the paper book has been submitted, then whether in the absence of paper book, when the order is passed by the tribunal, whether that order is amenable to rectification under section 254 subsection 2. This issue has been taken up by Honorable Bombay High Court in a writ petition filed by the assessee in the case of Brias Finance and Investment Private Limited versus Income Tax Officer and another. This case is reported in 482 ITR at page number 927 and the matter has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court on 28th June 2023. The assessment here relates to the 1415 and in the present case the Honorable Tribunal passed an order on 30th November 2019. During the proceedings before the tribunal, the assessee has filed two paper books. First compilation was of 43 pages which was considered in delivering the order by the tribunal, but the second paper book which was containing 71 pages was not considered by the tribunal in passing the order. The assessee filed a miscellaneous application before the tribunal that it is a mistake apparent from record that the assessee's compilation of 71 pages has not been considered while passing the order, but the tribunal rejected the miscellaneous application of the assessee. The assessee filed a writ petition against this rejection order of the tribunal in rejecting the miscellaneous application of the assessee, and when the court heard the matter, the court directed the respondents to file an affidavit whether the paper book was served on the respondents. The respondents filed an affidavit that the paper book was not found, but the assessee was able to demonstrate that on 1st October 2019, the paper book was served on revenue through a covering letter addressed to the Registrar of Appellate Tribunal. The court said that in the present case, the assessee's explanation that the paper book has been submitted has to be accepted, and the court directed the tribunal to consider the miscellaneous application of the assessee on merits, and the court also directed the assessee to submit a fresh compilation which has been submitted by the assessee earlier, and directed the tribunal to decide the miscellaneous application as per law. Friends, this case is very important because it gives a very clear and loud message that whatever the submissions and paper book are submitted during the proceedings before the tribunal, the assessee should try to get a proper receiving of that, and if the receiving is not obtained, the assessee should give it into the open court, and the assessee should have some evidence that the assessee has submitted this paper book, because if the evidence is not there, then it will be very difficult for the assessee to prove that this paper book has been submitted. So the assessee should try to get the receiving of the receipt of this paper book, because if this paper book will not be considered in delivering the order by the tribunal, then the assessee has a right to get its order rectified, so that all the submissions and compilation of the assessee can be considered and the justice can be done. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Brias Finance and Investment Private Limited versus Income Tax Officer and another, and this case is reported in 482 ITR at page number 927, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court in a writ petition filed by the assessee, and the judgment has been given by the court on 28th June 2023. Thank you, friends.